In this video, I'm going to look at some basic arithmetic and mathematical functions in R. For illustration, I'm going to be looking at the problems which are appearing on the right there. So for the first one, we are having 3 plus 5. So I type in my 3, then plus 5. And then I press the return key, enter, and it gives us an 8. For the second question is 3 minus 5. So I type in my 3, and then minus 5. Press enter, gives us a minus 2. Now the third one is 3 times 5, so it's 3. And then I press the multiplication sign on the num lock, and you have 3 times 5, and it gives us a 15. For the fourth one, we are having 10 divided by 2, so it's 10. Press the division sign on the num lock, so it's divided by 2, and press enter. So we have and the solution there is a 5. I now move on to look at some basic functions there. For the first one, we are having the natural logarithm of 3. When we are in R, the natural logarithm, we type it as log. So it's log, then open parenthesis. Then we are looking at the logarithm of 3, the natural logarithm of 3. So I'll press 3 there, and I'll go on enter, press enter. So that's the natural logarithm of 3 is 1.098612. For the second question, the exponent of 3, you just type in exp, then open parenthesis. We are saying 3. The exponent of 3 there, press enter, is 20.08554. For question number 3 now, we are now looking at the logarithm of 100. When we write in that notation, we are saying logarithm of 100 base 10. So we use the command log. It's almost similar to the natural logarithm, but in this case, we have to specify the base. So it's log 100, and then comma, then specify that the base is equals to 10. So it's base 10, and then I go on and press enter. So log 100 base 10, it gives us a 2. Note, when you don't write this base, it will evaluate the natural logarithm of 100. So specify the base so that it doesn't calculate the natural logarithm. But if you want to evaluate the natural logarithm, then don't specify the base, just leave it as it is. And then for the last question, we are having the logarithm of 100 base 2. I can just press the up arrow, so that I just change here where we're having base 10, we're just saying base 2. And I'll go on and press enter. So we have the logarithm of 100 base 2 is equal to 6.643856. So those are just some basic operations there.